ungambiza ngoJabulani ngeke ngiphendule. Ngoba manje ngilungisela i-character yami ukuthi mase ngingena kwi-camera ngingene ukuthi manje sengifakile.
So uyileyo.
Yeah, sengileyo.
Okay.
Yeah. Kwesinye isikhathi futhi ne-research iyafuneka. Futhi wena ngokwakho ucheck leyo character leyo ukuthi ungaba umuntu onjani. Njengoba ngubaba kaSithibe ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngubaba onjani.
Yes.
Angithi nescript naso siyakuguide ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Yes.
So you analyze that character and then we fake.
Before you go through to.
Yeah, before
yes.
uyongena and then we fake kuye so a full understanding yaleyo character ukuthi unjani. Then that will help you.
Okay.
Ukuthi ukwazi ukungena.
Baba, i-show is about ama-hustlers, like abantu abafuna ukuzibona bephumelele, whether we-acting, music, kumabhizinisi. I-advice yakho mhlawumbe kubantu abafuna ukuzibona bephumelele ithi?
Yeah, ukuphumelela kuvela yeah, ukuzimisela kwakho, uthando lwakho, i-dedication yakho, i-discipline yakho.
Yes.
Kule industry, whether you want to be an actor or a businessman or whatever you want to be, kuxhomekeka kuwe ukuthi leyo nto leyo uyenza ngokuzimisela njalo. Yeah, khona abantu abathembele kwezinye izinto like ama-drugs to enhance nofuna ukuba yi-actor e-right, ubona ukuthi right mawu-high uzokwazi ukuyenza mawu-high, konke lokho kuyinkohliso.
Yes.
Yeah, wena nje kufanele kuphume phakathi kuwe enhliziyo uthando lwakho ne-discipline. I-discipline is the first thing. Thina safundiswa kanjalo.
Yes.
Yeah, khona le nto babiza ama-D, abo-discipline, dedication, devotion.
Yes.
Izinto ezinjalo yizo ezincedayo ukuthi noma kunjani kodwa ukwazi ukuthi uqine kule nto leyo, then uzobona izokubhadala in the future.
Yes. So umbuzo wami baba, my last question, like kwi-community ikhona lento yenzayo ukusiza mhlawumbe ama-upcoming artists abafuna ukuzibona bekwi-acting, ikhona mhlawumbe indlela yosize ngayo abantu abanjalo?
Yeah, sekuningi engenzile ngaphandle nje ukuba ama-artist, khona abanye like abafuna ukudlala ibhola.
Yes.
Sengike ngasiza abantu abaningi bathengela i-strips ebhola, amabhola, nakubo ama-artist abafuna ukuba ama-artist ngithenge amakhompyutha ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisa, ama-musician ngithenge, sengenze okuningi nabanye nje ngiba-motivate nje. Yeah, kuningi sengenze nokuthi sometimes nami ngibe involved kuma-projects ama-upcoming actors and producers like bangicele Chima siyacela ukuthi ngingaba khona lana noma ungatholi next
but
ukusiza nje ukuthi nabo babe naloyo mdlalo ngakwenza. I think iyo indlela usize.
No baba, sibonga kakhulu. When we talking about Kasi Heroes, sikhuluma ngabantu abanjengani abenza bring back to the community. So sibonga kakhulu. Kasi Hustlers Reality TV show beyikhona yenza izinto zaseKasi. Nganje sidube ngabo.
Okay.